Welcome to the MoxieBox Art webpage. My name is Nick Hahn. I'm an educational consultant for MoxieBox Art. On my path to where I am now, I have been a K-12 visual arts teacher in the public schools for over 20 years. I'm excited to show you what we have created to support classroom facilitators and their students. From the homepage, click Public Schools. Then scroll down to Teacher Home. Scroll down to the Support button, then select. This will bring you to a list of all the lessons provided by MoxieBox Art. Scroll down to the lesson you are working on. Click on that lesson and type in the code. The codes will be provided to the purchaser as well as provided in the teacher kit. Each lesson is broken into age-specific Google Slides. Find the age that you're working with and click on the Google slide. The first slide will have an example of the project you're working on. To advance the slide, either hit Enter on your computer or click somewhere on the slide itself. This second page is called the Teacher's Guide. Think of this as a web page. This is going to bring you to the goals of the lesson, the supplies needed. It will also have extra resources such as videos and activities and possibly even printouts. In addition, each step has been listed. These steps are intended to be 1 to 2 sittings per step. For example, if you see 5 steps, plan on spending no less than 5 different sittings to complete the lesson properly. Let's click on step 1. Oftentimes, we will start each step with a video demonstrating the lesson and the techniques used. To watch the video, simply click on the play icon. The video might stop in the middle of instruction. That's intentional. That gives you just the bit of information that your students can digest and then create. Advancing the slide by pressing on any 4 corners or enter will bring you to the next slide. Most often, we will have project samples or examples of the different steps that the students are responsible for. On the last slide of every step, you will see an icon bringing you back to the teacher guide. Every slideshow is unique to both the lesson and the age group you're working with. We would love to celebrate with you and your students in creating these amazing artworks. Now, let's head back to the teacher homepage. Scroll down below the support section. You will discover a wonderful testimonial from a teacher using the MoxieBox lessons. Learn from practicing teachers about the product and their experience. As you continue down the page, the Visual Arts Common Core standards can be found. When clicking on the Common Core button, you will see all the lessons listed. Each PDF will have the standards reached by each MoxieBox kit. To make sure to cover all the standards listed, a classroom is invited to complete all extensions found in the teacher tips, provided in the teacher kit. MoxieBox Art has an active and helpful private teachers Facebook group. By joining the group, you will have live conversations with other teachers and extra resources from the Moxie team. Please share with us how much fun you are having with MoxieBox Art. Under the About pull-down menu, select the Say Hello tab. There, you can send pictures and include your comments that we can share, or tag us on social media. We look forward to hearing from you. If at any point of this process you run into difficulties accessing any teacher resources, be sure to connect directly with a MoxieBox representative at amanda@moxieboxart.com. I hope this overview will help you access all the resources we have provided for the teachers and classroom leaders to provide the best experience for students creating art.